Okay, check out this partially started remodel in 5 Points, 2949 Glenarm Place. After repair value in this neighborhood is 5.5 to 6.5. This is a historical district, but 99% of all design plans get approved. And what you're looking at here is a master bed, a living room, and a secondary bedroom. In the front of the house, they removed the center beam to open it up. That's the bathroom in the main living area. And so I'm not sure if that's a great placement. You might want to fiddle with this a little bit. That's the kitchen area, and the pantry is pretty big over there. We're walking into the addition here. Looks like it's about 20 years old. It's got a cinder block foundation, 2 more bedrooms here. And then we're walking into the garage, which is a nice garage for this area, 2 cars. The surprise in this multi-family property is an apartment above the garage. It's also partially finished, but it's a non-conforming living space. You'll see in a minute the headroom is just a bit too low. But we're walking down into the cellar here. Not a whole lot of living space down here, mainly just for storage area. Tell me what you think of this opportunity. There is a little meat on the bone, but there's a lot of work to be done. So, is this your style of remodel or not? Let me know in the comments below.